Um, Hello everyone, here I show you a keypad design in front of you, and as you can see here is a keycap has a golden area. Below here you can see the rubber area with rib style, and this project I didn't make the assembly situation. It means the keypad separate from the rubber area, and the rubber part will be independently, and the assembly component has two parts. So here I didn't show you how to separate it, but I want to teach you. I want to tell you how to build its rib by pattern table, and you can see here what you learn in this rib style keypad design. And first, how to use a pattern table, build out the parameters such as placement and geometry and dimension. Okay, and second, learn some quality functional skills such as intersect and fill. Learn some advanced build skills with portion, cut, and its incident. Realize the quick and easy method to modify dynamics, path jumps in ribs, angle, height, and something else. Okay, here I use a pen to draw how to the concept. Here is keypad, and here is rib, and you can see here. Here is the stock, and here has a angle, and this one is a geometry dimension, and we can modify dynamically. And then I want to tell you here is keypad, and keypad 1, keypad 2, I pattern to here. Okay, so I have to focus just keypad 1, and I design all the feature in the keypad 1, and I just copy this one to this one. I can do the dynamic modification, include its length, width, height, or position, what else. Okay, so we go directly to empty file. Okay, here I make a sketch, and 25, 10. Okay, then use exclusion 10, and I want to make a space data here, and I use the mirror, and I chose this data. Why I make the data is later I will use the data for the center line to build up the rib. Okay, and then I build out the round. Okay, I select every edge and the process. Okay, I have it. Okay. This one. And here we can make a quick look to understand what is pattern table. What is pattern table? Okay. Here I choose here table. You can see here table, but here I have to select an item. I select here, here, and here, and here. I use edit. I will go into table, and it's like Excel form, but you can roll this bar, and I just want to copy one to the right side or left side, up to you. And I selected 4 reference items, D6, D5, D3 and D4, and we have to know where it is. And D1, okay. Here better. Okay, table. Just this one. I press Control and okay. 0, 2, 3, 1. 0, 2, 3, 1. It's a little bit weird. It's not matched. So I know why. Because this one because table 1 this one used, so I have to close it. I close it, and let me do it again.